Did you know that the ocean's most mysterious creature, the octopus, doesn't just have one heart, but three? Yes, that's right. These intelligent, alien-like beings hold secrets that scientists are still uncovering today. From squeezing through impossibly tight spaces to solving complex puzzles, octopuses continue to surprise us. But their three hearts, what do they do and why do they need them? Today we dive deep into the life of the octopus to unravel its incredible anatomy and its fascinating survival tactics. Prepare to be amazed by one of the ocean's most extraordinary creatures. Let's start with the basics. Octopuses are invertebrates, meaning they have no bones and their bodies are soft, flexible, and gelatinous. But it's what's inside that really sets them apart. An octopus has three hearts, and each one plays a crucial role in its survival. One heart for the body. The main heart, called the systemic heart, pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. This is the heart that powers its limbs, its brain, and everything in between. Two hearts for the gills. The other two hearts are called branchial hearts, and they serve a unique purpose. They pump blood exclusively through the octopus's gills, where oxygen is absorbed from water. So, while two hearts are dedicated solely to ensuring that the octopus can breathe, the third ensures that the rest of the body functions at its peak. It's a bit like an assembly line, with each heart playing a different but essential role. But why does an octopus need this specialized setup? Well, it all comes down to their blood. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that octopuses have blue blood? Unlike humans, whose blood turns red due to iron-rich hemoglobin, octopuses use a different protein called hemocyanin, which contains copper. This gives their blood a blue tint and allows them to survive in oxygen-poor environments, like the deep, cold waters where many octopuses live. But there's a trade-off. Hemocyanin is less efficient than our iron-based hemoglobin, which is exactly why octopuses need three hearts to pump enough blood through their body. Two hearts oxygenate the blood, and the systemic heart sends it to where it's needed most. Now, the next time you think of these mysterious creatures, remember, it's not just their limbs and brain that are special. Their very lifeblood is unlike anything we humans have. Now, let's explore how the octopus uses its unique heart system to thrive in its watery world. Despite having three hearts, an octopus's blood pressure is still lower than that of most other animals. So how do they manage such agility, speed, and strength in their movement? Here's something you might not expect. When an octopus swims, its systemic heart actually stops beating. This means that every time the octopus propels itself through the water, only its two branchial hearts are working. Swimming is so physically taxing for octopuses that it shuts down the heart that powers the rest of their body. Jet propulsion. They use a form of jet propulsion to escape predators, shooting water out of their siphon to zoom away. But they only rely on swimming as a last resort because it puts such a strain on their system. Crawling. Octopuses prefer to crawl along the ocean floor, using their strong arms to move slowly and conserve energy. This allows all three hearts to keep working in unison. Here's a wild fact. Every time an octopus swims, its main heart stops beating. That's right, while it's using jet propulsion to flee from predators, only its two gill hearts keep working. Swimming is tough work for an octopus, and it's something they only do when absolutely necessary. That's why octopuses often prefer crawling. It's less taxing and all three hearts can keep working. So, when an octopus swims, it's literally a matter of life or death. That's an escape strategy you probably didn't see coming. We can't talk about octopuses without mentioning their astonishing intelligence. Did you know that octopuses have 9 brains? That's right. There's a central brain that controls their overall function, and each of their 8 arms has its own mini-brain. This unique setup allows their arms to act somewhat independently, so while the central brain is focusing on a task, the arms can explore, hunt, and even open jars. Each arm can taste, touch, and even think for itself. This intelligence, combined with their amazing physical adaptations, like 3 hearts and blue blood, makes the octopus one of the most impressive creatures in the animal kingdom. So, what do the 3 hearts, 9 brains, and blue blood all add up to? A creature that can survive in some of the harshest environments, outsmart predators, and even interact with humans in ways few other animals can. 3 hearts, 9 brains, and blue blood. Could the octopus get any more alien? It might sound like science fiction, but it's all part of what makes these creatures so fascinating. Each arm has its own mini-brain, and their hearts work in perfect sync to keep them moving and breathing in the deep ocean. Octopuses are living, breathing mysteries of the deep ocean. From their 3 hearts and blue blood to their incredible intelligence, these creatures continue to captivate scientists and ocean lovers alike. As we've seen today, their anatomy is finely tuned for survival in a world that is as harsh as it is beautiful. If you were amazed by the octopus, just wait. There's so much more to explore in the world of animals. Make sure to subscribe for more fascinating wildlife facts, and leave a comment below if there's another creature you'd like us to dive into next. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the animal kingdom.